Okay, what are we waiting for? Let's get this baby on the road. Yeah! Australia, if you don't vote for these people, they're going to come around and punch you in the face. Get out there and show us what you got.
We're not scared.
Hi there.
Hi.
What are your names?
My name is Hakan, and this is Lincoln, and this is Eleni.
And how old are you?
I'm 21, and they're both 9.
Cool. Whenever you're ready.
All right, you can put the body away now.
That was fantastic, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah! I loved Lincoln. I loved your kick. That was fantastic.
Tom, when Lincoln was doing his turning around and kick, he looked like an egg beater. You had a scary look.
Come kick him!
And another thing, I don't know. How come you let the girl beat you? What's that about? What's going on there?
Some men are gentlemen. Tom.
Yes.
Red.
If you can promise me that the girl gets it next time, yes.
And from me, it's a yeah!
Way to go. First act's kicked major butt with our judges, so it looks like the day's off to a great start. Onwards and upwards.